Why do you feel guilty leaving your dog alone? B. Separation anxiety is contagious. Science says you stress them out. Why your dog hates your new partner. B. Your stress vibes make them protective. They're not jealous. The secret reason Europeans take dogs everywhere. A. EU laws label pets as family, not property. Why your dog is your therapist, according to science. B. Oxytocin spikes when you cuddle. It's mutual therapy. Why does your dog side-eye your work calls? A. They hate being ignored and your fake customer service voice